Good day everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about what language I would pick if I only got to pick one language to code in for the rest of my life. So let's get into it. Now this is a favorite of mine. This is what would you do if you only had one pick? Who would you pick? You are not allowed to do anything else for the rest of your life. You're gonna have to stick with that one language. Who is it gonna be? Who could you love enough? It's like picking a wife or a husband. Who do you love enough to commit to them for the rest of your life? It's a tricky one. Well, no, I'm actually just building up some suspense here for you. I actually already have an answer. Are you ready? Fredrik Christensson, given no other option, would code for the rest of his life in C++. Yes, I would. And let me tell you why. C++ is, in my opinion, the most powerful language this world has. Hands down. It is the language of choice for every single application you want to build that needs to be high performance, work for 1,000,000 years, and that works on every platform. It has everything. Or rather, the only thing C++ is lacking is something that a viewer of mine actually commented on, which makes me extremely happy and very excited. He said on one of my videos when I was comparing Go to C++, and he said that, the C++, it's actually evolving, and it's a lot of the issues and so forth that were there for a few years ago are not there anymore, and you were seeing improvements. And I replied by saying that makes me very happy. It makes me very excited, because honestly, if C++ ever came to a point where I had a ecosystem of tools or APIs or libraries or whatever, if it ever got to the point where I could be as productive in C++ as I could be in, say, Node.js, I would never use anything else. Ever. I would live in that language for the rest of my life, because it has absolutely everything that you could possibly want to be able to do. In fact, it is so powerful that most of your languages, the higher level languages, are still using C++ bindings. There are small libraries still ported into different languages, and a lot of say JavaScript. We depend on C++. Almost all other software is somehow connected back to C++. That's how powerful that language is. And that's why I'm so happy to see that community. If I could do anything, change anything, I would want to have the ability to merge the community of C++ together with the community of Node and JavaScript and so forth. Because if we could ever get the sort of attention that Node and JavaScript has over to C++, and we could have enough people improve that platform to the point where it feels accessible and you feel productive and you can do all the things that you commonly have to do at all levels of application development, not just at the system level, because C++ is really good at the low level stuff, but it lacks when you come higher up. If we could get there, it would be the best language in the world. It is the most powerful one, but it could be the best. That's at least how I feel about it. Have a great day.